Hey friends, who's hungry? This yummy, sticky bourbon chicken recipe tastes just like that of your favorite food court restaurant. First, we need to marinate our chicken. In a medium mixing bowl, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of bourbon, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Whisk everything together. Then pour the marinade over 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. Stir the chicken to ensure the pieces are submerged in the marinade. Then marinate the chicken in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours or up to 8 hours. Now for the teriyaki sauce. In a medium saucepan, bring half a cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to a boil over medium-high heat until the sugars are dissolved. In a separate bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1/4 cup of cold water. Add the cornstarch mixture to the teriyaki sauce and continue to boil until the sauce begins to thicken. Remove the sauce from the heat. Now to cook the chicken. Drain the chicken and discard the marinade. Coat the chicken with 2 tablespoons of flour. Then heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Working in batches, saute the chicken pieces for 5 to 7 minutes until they are browned on all sides. Reduce the heat to medium and return the chicken to the pan. Drizzle the teriyaki sauce over the chicken and stir until all the pieces are coated. If desired, serve the bourbon chicken over cooked rice and garnish with sesame seeds and sliced green onions. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.